All right, for today's lesson, we are going to do making patterns with plain shapes. So you guys should have done stuff with patterns last year, so you've already had some practice. So take a look here. These are repeating patterns. Here we have circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. We call this pattern an A-B pattern because the circle is the A, and the triangle is a B. And then it repeats itself. A, B, A, B. Here we have another pattern, but this time it's a change in size of the shape. So this one is big square, little square, big square, little square, big square, little square. This is also called an A-B pattern because first we have big, little, then our big is the A, and little is B, and it goes on. The next one is a change in color. So it goes blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Still an A-B pattern. So taking a look at this one, which would go next, we have rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle. You got it. Rectangle would go next. Now we have circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. The next part we have big, medium, little, big, medium, little, big, medium, little. And we call this pattern an ABC pattern because there's three different sizes, A, B, C, and then it repeats itself and goes back to the A, B, and then C. All right, this next page here, we have some more practicing. So this time we have yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue. Here we have triangle, rectangle, circle, triangle, rectangle, circle, blank, rectangle. So our triangle is missing. Next one, we have little square, little triangle, big square, big triangle, little square, little triangle, big square, big triangle. Now this one would be called an ABCD because there's four different. We have the little square, the little triangle, the big square, and then the D is the big triangle. Then it starts over and repeats itself. A, B, C, D. All right, this one we have rectangle, square, circle, yellow square. Rectangle, square, circle, yellow square. And then it starts over. So this is again an A, B, C, D pattern because there's four different things that change. All right, that is all. So the next thing that you guys are going to do are your workbook pages, and you're doing pages 117 to 122. Have fun.